Hey friends, welcome back to Ask Keisha AI, where we break down the latest tech and AI news that's changing the game. Today, we're talking about ChatGPT's newest update, and trust me, this one is a big deal. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only gets you but also anticipates your needs. That's right. ChatGPT just leveled up with some surprising new features that could change the way we communicate, learn, and work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about where AI is headed, this update is about to blow your mind. Let's dive into what's new and why it matters. This update takes ChatGPT to the next level, delivering features that make it even smarter and more intuitive. Here's what stands out. Now it can hold longer, more coherent conversations. It's like talking to someone who actually remembers what you said 5 minutes ago. ChatGPT can now adjust its tone and style to match your preferences, making every chat feel tailored to you. The biggest upgrade yet, ChatGPT can process images, not just text. This makes interactions more dynamic, opening up endless possibilities for how we use AI. With these features, ChatGPT isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the standard for the future of interactive AI. This isn't just about cool new features, it's about the impact on real life applications. Personalized tutoring powered by AI could transform learning for students with different styles and needs. From brainstorming ideas to generating drafts, this update is a game changer for creatives. But let's keep it real. There are challenges too. Issues like misinformation and the need for transparency in AI interactions are more important than ever. These updates give us powerful tools, but they also demand responsibility. Overall, the excitement is real, and the community is buzzing with curiosity about what's coming next. Have you tried the update yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear about your experience. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Check out our other videos for more updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay curious, and stay ready for what's next.